My dear littles, welcome to the world of translation. We have already studied past indefinite, affirmative, negative, interrogative first part. Today we will go for interrogative second part. हिंदी वाक्यों में प्रश्नवाचक शब्दों जैसे कि क्या, क्यों, कब, कहाँ, किससे, कैसे, किसका, कैसा आदि शब्दों का प्रयोग क्रिया से पहले होता है। फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, वह क्यों जाती थी, वह कब जाता था, वे क्या खाते थे, हम क्या पीते थे। Now I tell you the rules. First rule, we use question words what, why, when, where, whom, how, whose, who, etc. in the starting of the sentence before helping verb. Second rule, we use did before the subject. It is immaterial whether the subject is singular or plural. Third rule, we use first form of the verb. For example, वह क्यों जाती थी, Why did she go? वह कब जाता था, When did he go? Now get ready to write Hindi sentences in your notebook. First sentence, वह क्यों जाती थी, वह क्यों जाती थी, वह क्यों जाती थी, वह क्यों जाती थी। सेंटेंस नंबर 2, वह कब जाता था, वह कब जाता था, वह कब जाता था, वह कब जाता था। सेंटेंस नंबर 3, वे क्या खाते थे, वे क्या खाते थे, वे क्या खाते थे, वे क्या खाते थे। सेंटेंस नंबर 4, हम क्या पीते थे, हम क्या पीते थे, हम क्या पीते थे, हम क्या पीते थे। सेंटेंस नंबर 5, लड़के क्यों खेलते थे, लड़के क्यों खेलते थे, लड़के क्यों खेलते थे, लड़के क्यों खेलते थे। सेंटेंस नंबर 6, लड़का कहाँ खेलता था, लड़का कहाँ खेलता था, लड़का कहाँ खेलता था, लड़का कहाँ खेलता था। सेंटेंस नंबर 7, लड़कियाँ कहाँ पढ़ती थीं? लड़कियाँ कहाँ पढ़ती थीं? लड़कियाँ कहाँ पढ़ती थीं? सेंटेंस नंबर 8, लड़की क्यों पढ़ती थी? लड़की क्यों पढ़ती थी? लड़की क्यों पढ़ती थी? लड़की क्यों पढ़ती थी? सेंटेंस नंबर 9, राम कहाँ दौड़ता था? 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 सेंटेंस नंबर 10, हम क्यों पढ़ते थे? हम क्यों पढ़ते थे? हम क्यों पढ़ते थे? हम क्यों पढ़ते थे? सेंटेंस नंबर 11, मैं कहाँ जाता था? मैं कहाँ जाता था? मैं कहाँ जाता था? मैं कहाँ जाता था? सेंटेंस नंबर 12, तुम्हें कौन पढ़ाता था? तुम्हें कौन पढ़ाता था? तुम्हें कौन पढ़ाता था? तुम्हें कौन पढ़ाता था? सेंटेंस नंबर 13, आप कहाँ खेलते थे? 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 सेंटेंस नंबर 14, राधा क्यों गाती थी? राधा क्यों गाती थी? राधा क्यों गाती थी? राधा क्यों गाती थी? सेंटेंस नंबर 15, वे कहाँ तैरते थे? वे कहाँ तैरते थे? वे कहाँ तैरते थे? वे कहाँ तैरते थे? सेंटेंस नंबर 16, शाम क्यों सोता था? शाम क्यों सोता था? शाम क्यों सोता था? शाम क्यों सोता था? Now I am going to translate these sentences into English. First sentence, वह क्यों जाती थी? वह क्यों जाती थी? Why did she go? Why did she go? Why is question word, did is helping verb, she is subject and go is verb. क्या वह जाती थी? Did she go is interrogative first part. वह क्यों जाती थी? Why did she go is interrogative second part. Why did she go? Why did she go? Sentence number 2, वह कब जाता था? वह कब जाता था? When did he go? When did he go? When is question word, did is helping verb, he is subject and go is verb. क्या वह जाता था? Did he go? This is interrogative first part. वह कब जाता था? When did he go? This is interrogative second part. Because we use question word in this sentence, so this is interrogative second part. When did he go? Sentence number 3, वे क्या खाते थे? वे क्या खाते थे? What did they eat? What did they eat? What is question word? Did is helping verb, they is subject and eat is verb. क्या वे खाते थे? Did they eat is interrogative first part. वे क्या खाते थे? What did they eat is interrogative second part. Because we use question word in this sentence. What did they eat? What did they eat? Sentence number 4, हम क्या पीते थे? हम क्या पीते थे? What did we drink? What did we drink? What is question word? Did is helping verb, we is subject and drink is verb. क्या हम पीते थे? Did we drink? This is interrogative first part. हम क्या पीते थे? What did we drink? This is interrogative second part. Because we use question word in this sentence. What did we drink? Sentence number 5, लड़के क्यों खेलते थे? लड़के क्यों खेलते थे? लड़के क्यों खेलते थे? Why did the boys play? Why did the boys play? Why is question word, did is helping verb, the boys is subject and play is verb. क्या लड़के खेलते थे? Did the boys play is interrogative first part. लड़के क्यों खेलते थे? Why did the boys play is the interrogative second part. Sentence number 6, लड़का कहाँ खेलता था? लड़का कहाँ खेलता था? Where did the boy play? Where did the boy play? Where is question word, did is helping verb, the boy is subject and play is verb. क्या लड़का खेलता था? Did the boy play is interrogative first part. लड़का कहाँ खेलता था? Where did the boy play is interrogative second part. Because we use question word in this sentence. Where did the boy play? Sentence number 7. लड़कियाँ कहाँ पढ़ती थीं? लड़कियाँ कहाँ पढ़ती थीं? Where did the girls read? Where did the girls read? Where is question word, did is helping verb, the girls is subject and read is verb. क्या लड़कियाँ पढ़ती थी is interrogative first part. लड़कियाँ कहाँ पढ़ती थीं? Where did the girls read is interrogative second part. Because we use question word in this sentence, so this is interrogative second part. Where did the girls read? Sentence number 8. लड़की क्यों पढ़ती थी? लड़की क्यों पढ़ती थी? Why did the girl read? Why did the girl read? Why is question word, did is helping verb, the girl is subject and read is first form of the verb. क्या लड़की पढ़ती थी? Did the girl read is interrogative first part. लड़की क्यों पढ़ती थी? Why did the girl read is interrogative second part. Why did the girl read? Sentence number 9. राम कहाँ दौड़ता था? राम कहाँ दौड़ता था? Where did Ram run? Where did Ram run? Where is question word, did is helping verb, Ram is subject and run is verb. क्या राम दौड़ता था? Did Ram run is interrogative first part. राम कहाँ दौड़ता था? Where did Ram run is interrogative second part. Because we use where in this sentence, so this is interrogative second part. Where did Ram run? Sentence number 10. हम क्यों पढ़ते थे? हम क्यों पढ़ते थे? Why did we read? Why did we read? Why is question word, did is helping verb, we is subject and read is verb. क्या हम पढ़ते थे? Did we read is interrogative first part. हम क्यों पढ़ते थे? Why did we read is interrogative second part. Because we use why in this sentence, so this is interrogative second part. Why did we read? Sentence number 11. मैं कहाँ जाता था? मैं कहाँ जाता था? Where did I go? Where did I go? Where is question word, did is helping verb, I is subject and go is verb. क्या मैं जाता था? Did I go is interrogative first part. मैं कहाँ जाता था? Where did I go is interrogative second part, because we use where in this sentence. So this is interrogative second part. Where did I go? Sentence number 12. तुम्हें कौन पढ़ाता था? तुम्हें कौन पढ़ाता था? तुम्हें कौन पढ़ाता था? Who did teach you? Who did teach you? WHO who, DID did, TEACH teach, YOU you. Who is question word, did is helping verb, teach is verb and you is subject. Who did teach you? Sentence number 13. आप कहाँ खेलते थे? आप कहाँ खेलते थे? Where did you play? Where did you play? Where is question word, did is helping verb, you is subject and play is verb. क्या आप खेलते थे? Did you play is interrogative first part. आप कहाँ खेलते थे? Where did you play is interrogative second part, because we use where in this sentence. So this is interrogative second part. Where did you play? Sentence number 14. राधा क्यों गाती थी? राधा क्यों गाती थी? राधा क्यों गाती थी? Why did Radha sing? Why did Radha sing? Why is question word, did is helping verb, Radha is subject and sing is verb. क्या राधा गाती थी? Did Radha sing is interrogative first part. राधा क्यों गाती थी? Why did Radha sing is interrogative second part, because we use why in this sentence, so this is interrogative second part. Why did Radha sing? Sentence number 15. वे कहाँ तैरते थे? वे कहाँ तैरते थे? वे कहाँ तैरते थे? Where did they swim? Where is question word, did is helping verb, they is subject and swim is verb. क्या वे तैरते थे? Did they swim is interrogative first part. वे कहाँ तैरते थे? Where did they swim is interrogative second part, because we use where in this sentence, so this is interrogative second part. Where did they swim? लास्ट सेंटेंस 16. शाम क्यों सोता था? शाम क्यों सोता था? Why did Shyam sleep? Why did Shyam sleep? Why is question word, did is helping verb, Shyam is subject, and sleep is first form of the verb. क्या शाम सोता था? Did Shyam sleep is interrogative first part. शाम क्यों सोता था? Why did Shyam sleep? This is interrogative second part. Because we use why in this sentence, so this is interrogative second part. Why did Shyam sleep?